Stop the Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Vol 2 low FPS lag and visual glitches right now, because this video will fix your stuttering. If the latest update has crippled your gameplay performance, we're diving straight into proven methods that will get Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Vol 2 running smoothly again. First up, we're optimizing the in-game settings to reduce the strain on your hardware. Lowering the resolution scale, disabling VSync, reducing shadow quality, and turning off motion blur can make a massive difference in frame rates. If that doesn't fully resolve the stuttering, the issue might be corrupted game files. So we'll move to verifying the integrity of your Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Vol 2 installation, which ensures all game data is present and correct. Should the problem persist, outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit for new update performance drops. We'll guide you through updating your GPU drivers to the latest version, as this often unlocks critical performance improvements. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, we'll tackle background processes that might be hogging your system resources, ensuring Metal Gear Solid Master Collection Vol 2 has the power it needs to run flawlessly.